everyone, welcome to Jignasa Student Study Project 2024 to 2025. We are from Government Degree College, Medak, under the supervision of Venkateshwar sir. Myself, C.H. Ravanti, we are from BSc first year MPCS. These are my teammates, Bhavani, Manasa, Ankita, Santoshini, Harshita. And our title is a study on sequences, hypothesis, a student study project on sequences. Abstract. The goal of this research is to look into the sequences that can be used to help the designs the best architecture. The following are the sequences that helps us to solve the problems. They are arithmetic sequences, Fibonacci sequences, geometric sequences, and golden ratio. This is the introduction. Now my friend Bhavani will continue. And the introduction is, in a mathematics, sequences is an enumerated collection of objects in which repetitions are allowed. Order matters. Like I said, it contains terms or elements. The number of elements, possibly infinite, is called the length of the sequences. Unlike I said, the same elements can be appear multiple and different positions in a sequences. And unlike said, that orders matters. Now my friend Bhavani will continue.
Examples and notations. A sequences can be thought as elements with a particular order, bracket 1 and bracket 2. Sequences are useful in a number of mathematical disciplines for studying functions and spaces and other mathematical structures. Using linear conversion properties of a sequences in a particular sequences are the basis for series which are important differential equations and analysis. Sequences are also interesting in their own right and can be studied as a pattern and functions, such as a study of primary numbers. Next part will be continued in Mansa.
Finite and infinite. The length of a sequence is defined as the number of terms in the sequences. A sequence's infinite length n is also known as n tuple. Finite sequences include the empty sequences that has no elements. Normally, the terms infinite sequences refers to a sequences that is infinite in one direction and finite is other direction. The first element but no final element. Such a sequence is called singly infinite. That is infinite in both directions. That has disambiguation is necessary. In contrast, a sequence is. Next part will be continued. Ankita.
Start.
Increasing and decreases. A sequence for greater than or equal to the b. Increasing in a eighth from the greater than only equal to the one before it. For example, the sequence is infinity. Monadic increases in only as for n greater than bigger if each consecutive terms is sequence greater than previous term, the sequence is constant. Next will be coming Santoshini.
Start.
Bounded. If the subsequence is a real number, a based n is such that all the real numbers are less than sum of the real numbers. Sequence is said to be as a bounded for others. What this means, there all exist m and such others, all n greater than m. Any such that m is the all called upper bounded. And sequences both are bounded from the above bounded for below, then the sequence is said to be a bounded. Next part will be continued by Harshita. Conclusion. Now I am going to conclude on study on sequences. In this project we conclude there are different types of sequences and these sequences are useful in our daily lives. Some of the sequences we find the formula of arithmetic, geometric, Cauchy, Fibonacci sequences, etc. We use many examples to understand the sequences in a better and easy way. And the golden ratio. The nature itself obeys the golden ratio. The application of golden ratio is to build or to construct such a beautiful architecture. We use the golden ratio. Thank you everyone.